Hey guys, JC Smith here. Parts are starting to trickle in. This is some of the stuff I ordered off Rock Auto. Nope, these are ball joints and spark plugs. Great. I ordered new spark plugs for the 5.4 for Brandon. Of course, I ordered Motorcraft. And these are the lower ball joints. Move problem solvers. Supposed to be really good ones. That's cool. That's that. This is my head gaskets. FedEx was nice enough to leave them on my porch, not between the two doors or under the roof, but you know, where it could get wet. Which was very nice of them, considering there was a place they could have put it. So, these are my head gaskets. Alright, sorry about that, it's just too hard to hold the camera. Alright, I'm going to tell you why I order these. These you get from Rock Auto, male original, right? See if I can show you why I order these. Can you see it? See if I can get a better light on this subject for you here. Nope. It's worse. There you go. There is why I ordered these. So if you guys are working on a V10 from Ford, you go on Rock Auto, you can buy these for a lot less than Ford head gaskets. But they are actually, as I just showed you, they are Ford. So that's why I use these. Alright, what else we got here? Let's see what we got in this one. We'll probably be trickling in pretty regular for the next couple days. I just ordered more parts today. There was a couple things I was not sure I wanted to do. Man, this seems like the magician's act, right? He pulled the scars out of his sleeve that never stop, never end. Holy crap. This is all one piece. Oh, nope. There's a second piece. They must have run... You're kidding me. Look at this. Oh, this is priceless. Absolutely priceless. VVT solenoids. So far, that's for Brandon. This is for Brandon. I was going to show you guys. Alright, sorry about that. It's just too hard to hold the camera. Alright, I'm going to tell you why I order these. These you get from Rock Auto, male original, right? See if I can show you why I order these. Can you see it? See if I can get a better light on this subject for you here. Nope. It's worse. There you go. There is why I ordered these. So if you guys are working on a V10 from Ford, you go on Rock Auto, you can buy these for a lot less than Ford head gaskets. But they are actually, as I just showed you, they are Ford. So that's why I use these. Alright, what else we got here? Let's see what we got in this one. We'll probably be trickling in pretty regular for the next couple days. I just ordered more parts today. There was a couple things I was not sure I wanted to do. Man, this seems like the magician's act, right? They pull the stars out of the sleeve that never stop, never end. Holy crap. This is all one piece. Oh, nope. There's a second piece. They must have run... You're kidding me. Look at this. Oh, this is priceless. Absolutely priceless. VVT solenoids. So far, that's for Brandon. This is for Brandon. I was going to show you guys this. I usually have a reason for buying the brands that I do. The last one of these I bought through Cardone, which I don't see it in this one. They may not be this time, but one time I got them, they had Fomoco stamped on them, so I ordered them again thinking I might get Fomoco. I don't know if you guys can see this yet. It's not going to show up there. There's some etching right in here. Not showing up well on the camera. I can't tell for certain. Anyways, the reason I bought these ones was because the one time I did order them, they came through as stamped Fomoco, if I remember right. So that's why I ordered those. And the head gaskets were for that V10 that I'm waiting on the heads. Okay. Then this is a full head set. Alright. I'm sorry. These are just valve cover gaskets. These valve cover gaskets, I don't care what brand they are, really. So, I don't need to spend a ton of money on these. I've had good luck with these. They don't give me any troubles, so that's what I buy. So, these are for this V10. The head gaskets are for the V10. And this stuff is for Brandon. So, we'll put this stuff aside. So, alright, we'll set this box off to the side, and as they come in, we'll just start checking them off my list of what I ordered. So, there's quite a bit more coming for Brandon. And like I said, I just ordered more. This cardboard I like to keep around. It's great for putting on a radiator or something you need to stay clean or protect. So I just stick them around, just leave them here. What else was I going to do today? Oh yeah, I got to get to the post office. I got to send out a package today. I got the Dodge running outside. I'm going to take it. I've been there once today, and like a doofus, I went off and forgot the address. Well, actually, that's not true. I wrote the address down. I folded it up on a piece of paper so I wouldn't forget it. I set it on top of my wallet so I knew I wouldn't leave without my wallet. But I had another piece of paper that I wrote something down on, and I've confused the two. So, you know, most of the time we throw these away, but we've been shipping a good amount of stuff lately, so I'll hang on to that. We'll put that in a cardboard box and save that for later. So, let's get down to the post office. What do you think? Okay. I'm telling you, it's like Christmas around here. This is my cam followers and lash adjusters in this small box. This small, very heavy box. And I'll show you what we buy. These are Ford original equipment lash adjusters and original equipment Ford cam followers. This is enough for the V10 and Brandon's 5.4 and the F-150. So we'll put all these together over here. That means we have all the internal engine components for that, and 24, 24, 6, and 6. So these are the rest for the V10 for this build right here. So I'll put them with these parts here. And let's see what we got in this one. This might be the oil pump. Which, the only place I can find to buy that Melling oil pump, yeah, that's what it is online. And this is the Melling 360 HV. This is a high volume, high pressure oil pump for the 5.4. So this is for the 2004 F-150, the one that Brandon's taken. And this is Melling's designed to give you 20% more volume and 20% more pressure for the 5.4s, because in the whole cam phaser, cam follower debacle, somewhere along the lines they think that this is going to help it, so we ordered that one up. So I'll put that in here, and I think the only thing we're missing for that motor is the timing cover gaskets. So the only thing we don't have right now, as far as I can remember, is timing cover and the upper ball joints. That's the last two things we're waiting on. So as soon as that stuff gets here, we'll start on that truck. Okay, more parts coming in. This is from Rock Auto. Great. That's the oil filter adapter gasket, and I got that for the V10. I didn't buy a whole engine set for the V10 because there's things in it that we don't need. This is an oil filter for the for each V10, one for the one that we just tore back apart. I'll change that filter. One for this one that we're building. So that goes there. Move over here. And this is our cam phasers. Now, I buy these cam phasers from Rock Auto because the last time I got them because a friend of mine told me he uses them and he has good luck with them. And when I opened them up, I realized why. Let's see if I can open this bird up here. Yep, same thing. Okay, so can you see this? See what that is? See how it's ground off there? Mm-hmm. Alright, can you see this here? This is the OE updated Ford part number.
You can't really see a number. You can just
that's
see
okay.
Something.
So that's why I buy these ones from Rock Auto, because they're actual genuine Ford parts. And they say Fomoco on them. So if you take an old cam phaser, I think I have one. I'll bring it right back. Okay, so in this one, you can see, maybe you can, there's some etched numbers here.
Yeah, can't see it.
Alright, and then down here, there's more etched numbers. And can you make this out right here? Right there?
I can't.
Well, right there it says Fomoco. Okay, you see how it's right by the R? Mm-hmm. Pay attention to what's ground off on this one. They're the same, they're made by Ford, and what they ground off, these are just Reebox parts. They ground off where it said Fomoco right there. Hmm. That's why I buy these ones from Rock Auto, because of course this was a used one. These are ones that I took apart from a motor, and they were actually didn't have any troubles, and I thought that I'd hang on to them, because if I ever got in a pickle where I couldn't afford to buy the parts, you know, and needed one, I had it. Because these cam phasers just fine. Those came out of, geez, I'm drawing a blank as to which truck to come out of now. But regardless. Okay, so I just got some more parts in.
Wow.
Alright, so this is a timing cover set for the V10. This is a headset for the V10, which I've been waiting on this because I need to get the valve stem seals out of this to take to the machine shop. So I gotta get them out of there. And this is the oil pan gasket for the V10. The one that we're completely rebuilding. So we got all those. And we got one more box today. Thinking, with the exception of the oil pump for the one we're rebuilding and the rods and mains, I think we're almost there. Oh, my head bolt. Alright. So, there's head bolts for the one that we're completely rebuilding. And there's head bolts for the one that we're doing that the machine shop screwed up. And then, this is the last of the parts for the F-150. These are the upper ball joints for the F-150 that Brandon's taken. There you are, whole control arm. The best way to do that, I think. So that's both the control arms. They are specific to left and right. So we'll put these in this box.
That scared me.
What scared you? Oh my God! Oh.
You're such a dork.
Oh. Holy crap! Flashbacks. Oh my.
Such a dork.
Hey, cover.
You're going to be wanting those when you go to send something out. And then you pop them all.
Well, you know, kids. Come on, though. That was funny.
Yeah, for a minute.
Alright, that's all our parts. Oh, and look what I got. You know what those are?
Finally. Yes, I know those are. You
Those
were
are for
too
the
cheap
impact.
to buy them. And I told him if you spent all that money on that impact, you should at least buy the boot for it to keep it nice. So he did. Finally did.
Because I got scolded.
Well, your tools take a beating, you know, so
Yeah,
might as well get the cover for them.
yeah, they get used. That should be fairly simple to get on there. Let's see if I can get it on. I'll bring it right back. See how tight these are to get on there. Probably wait till it's a little warmer, take them home, heat them up. Be easier. Shoot! Look at that!
Yeah, because yesterday was like 72 here. Beautiful. Today is,
Not so much.
last I looked, it was like 40 and it's been pouring all day. Lovely. We have the wood stove going again.
This winter just won't give up,
No,
will it?
no. It sure was nice yesterday though. We got a lot done.
Well, let's see. I mean, it's okay, but I don't know. Could probably be a little better, but whatever. It's better than what I had, you know. At least now it's not going to get as beat up as quickly. Make sure all the vents are hooked up here. Look like they're working right. Yeah, I mean it fits, but like this, can you see that vent right there for the fan? Yeah. It's blocking half of that. Yeah.
Well, once it's on for a while, it might, and it warms.
Look worse?
It warms,
yeah, you're probably right.
And it warms up, it might stretch a little more.
We'll
it
see.
might be worse. Who knows?
Yeah, I mean, whatever. It's better than what I had. I found these on eBay. I looked and looked and looked and looked because, you know, somebody's cheap. And I think I finally ended up paying $53 for the pair of them shipped to me. Because they were like 34 and 34, and I looked and looked, and I finally found this one for 21. And this one was 30 something. Ended up being $53 with shipping for both of them. So, that's okay. It's better than what I had, I guess. If it protects them, that's good. Keep them from getting all beat up. Because I'm a little worried about this plastic. Like, I don't want to drop it because I've already skinned the top of it. But then again, they are not toolbox queens. They get used.
Yeah.
Right? I beat the crap out of them. So, we'll see what happens. It's not that I'm not impressed with them, but a lot of the things that everybody said that they would do, like doing heavy truck tires, like the medium duties, the ones on a railroad truck, I tried to take them off with this, and it really struggled and struggled. I ended up getting the air gun out to get them off. It just wouldn't do it. So it is what it is. And I tried a fresh battery too, but whatever. I mean, you can't take it away from it. It works very well, but I don't think it works nearly as well as so many people like to say it does. Or at least these ones don't. And this is the newest, latest, and greatest. I don't like how the batteries fit either. They're pretty loose. I think that could be better. Because you can see how it's wearing the plastic here already. That's starting to wear. It's starting to wear in here. The contacts are pretty loose. The way it's made. You know, Snap-on's, I'm going to tell you, as far as I'm concerned, Snap-on is a much better fit for the battery. I like the metal case that the Snap-on is. And now Snap-on's going to have brushless, so I may just be going right back to Snap-on. We'll see. Only way to know is to try them. So, that's it. Our parts are in. So, oh, and the heads are done. The machine shop called. The heads for the 14, that the one valve was messed up, it's ready to go. So we're going to pick that up in the morning, and now we have all of our parts, so we can put it together. So that'll be next. So that's it. I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up.
Please leave your comments below and hit the subscribe button if you want to.
What she said. Alright, catch you on the next one.